Hey guys, yeah, it seems like one thing after another, but that's okay. Houses need repairs too. But the water pump continues to run when all the faucets are closed. Be right back.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for happy.
Okay, so all the faucets are shut off. No, there's no water that should be running anywhere, and there are no leaks. I have not seen any leaks anywhere that would make the water pump. Okay, but as soon as I turn this on, the pump is going to come on at a low RPM. If you can hear that. But after searching and searching, I found the water pump down here. So need to remove this panel. And and also when we were plugged in, turn that off. When we were hooked up urban camping in Phoenix, the to city water, our fresh tank was overflowing. Just a little bit. It was just like trickling out. And after doing some research, it was the water pump going bad. There's a pressure valve in the water pump where when all the faucets are off, that stops the water pump from running. Even when it's turned on, it's like 40 psi. The water pump will turn off. Well, the city water was backing through that pressure valve and filling the fresh water tank. This research. And now when we got out here boondocking, I was taking a shower the other day, and the water pump did not shut off when I shut the shower off. It kept running at that low RPM. When we got our faucet open, then it's a higher RPM. It's louder, and that's where it's pumping water. So anyway, apparently we're going to replace the. I'm going to get in there and take a look. We're going to replace the water pump. Okay, now your water pump. I guess the easiest way to the water tank, freshwater tank, is directly below us here. The fill is just on the outside over here, but. Your water pump could be under your bed, could be behind whatever cabinet. This one just had it was in this little corner area here. They're kind of hidden. It was just 2 screws to move this panel, and there it be. And there's a little filter on there. I'm gonna check that filter first and clean that out, just so I'm not replacing a good pump. Well, the pump works, but I'm guessing it's that pressure valve, because it was allowing the fresh water tank to fill up. Just crack that so it takes some pressure off.
Want it left open? Water's run out.
That's all right.
Close it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, it's just hand tight. Okay. Some water coming out. Hand tight only, it says. Okay, let's check this. Well, that's not clogged. Clear as a bell.
Any little slits or anything?
Okay, so we're going to replace the water pump. How you doing?
Good.
I'm just gonna film this.
You doing what?
I was here yesterday with the water pump issue. I found the water pump.
Oh, you found a water pump. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I remember you. Okay.
So now these are. What
It's a matter of brand preference. They're both quality.
they are?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I tried not to put junk on the shelves.
I've heard of SureFlow. I haven't heard of this one.
Yeah, SureFlow is, I don't know, it's popular. It's kind of like the Chevrolet of the water pump world.
Okay, all right. Okay, guys, yeah, sorry about that. My camera overheated, and I wanted to keep going, so here's the old one, and there's the new one. I will put a link in the description, and an Amazon link to this. Yeah, so it went together. Just here it is. It's all in, and it wasn't leaking. Runs good. Seems a little bit quieter than the other one, maybe a little bit. But, yeah, it's a really tight fit in there. I had to run and go buy some of these electrical connectors. They go, you know, you got to strip this a little bit. So there's like a 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch wire here, and that goes in there, and then you crimp it with a pliers or a crimper, and then the other end goes to the trailer, the wire from the trailer. Stick that in there and crimp it. These are 16 gauge wires. I believe the trailer wire was probably 14 or 12 gauge, because they're just a little thicker. I'm thinking 14, but this still worked. So yeah, save some money there again. Do it yourself. Do it yourself. So appreciate you guys. Yeah, these how-tos are going to be on Wednesdays, I think, most of the time. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, because and follow our adventures. I try to get them out every Saturday. So follow us on Instagram and Facebook also. So anyway, love you guys. We will see you Saturday.